Ever feel like your Spanish is just a bit academic? Today, we're diving into the art of conversational Spanish, the nuances and secrets that can transform your speaking skills and make you sound like a native. Number one, the power of contextual learning. So, first up, context is everything. Instead of memorizing phrases in isolation, learn them in real life situations. For instance, when you're at a restaurant, practice phrases like, ¿Me puedes traer la cuenta, por favor? Can you bring me the bill, please? To make your learning relevant. Remember, when you use real life scenarios to learn phrases naturally, it's like compound interest for your speaking confidence. Number two, embrace informal language. Natives often use slang and colloquialisms that textbooks don't cover. Words like chido, chévere, or tuani, they all mean cool. These words can spice up your conversations. Start introducing them in your practice sessions with native speakers. They will help you master them, leading to more authentic conversation. Number three, the art of asking questions. Asking questions is crucial. It shows interest and keeps the conversation flowing. Instead of just saying, ¿Cómo estás? Try variations like, ¿Cómo te ha ido? Or, ¿Qué tal todo? ¿Qué has estado haciendo últimamente? What have you been up to lately? This opens up deeper discussions. Use those open-ended questions for richer conversations. Number four, listening and mimicking. Listening is just as important as speaking. Pay attention to how natives express themselves. Mimic their intonation and rhythm. This not only improves your pronunciation, but also helps you internalize natural speech patterns. Now, don't forget that listening practice improves speaking. Number five, the importance of pausing and reflecting. Don't rush your responses. In conversations, it's perfectly okay to take a moment to think. Use phrases like, déjame pensar un momento. Let me think for a moment before you answer. This gives you time to formulate your thoughts without feeling pressured. Keep in mind that pausing can enhance clarity and thoughtfulness. Okay, number six, building your phrase bank. If you don't have one yet, it's time for you to create a journal. Jot down useful expressions from conversations or media. This can include greetings, common responses, or even cultural references that resonate with you. The more phrases you have at your fingertips, the more confident you'll feel. Reserve a section of your journal for useful phrases. Number seven, practice makes perfect. Find your community. Finally, practice with native speakers who are learning English. Our practice platform, ShareLingo Connect, allows you to connect with native Spanish speakers who want to learn too. And regular practice not only boosts your confidence, but also exposes you to different accents and dialects, to useful phrases, to slang, and even asking questions. So there you have it, the art of conversational Spanish that can elevate your skills. Start incorporating these tips today and watch your confidence soar. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more language tips and be sure to ring that bell icon too. Hasta la próxima.